Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about the OOPS with Python, decision making and looping. So in design thinking stage, we have like define stage and prototype stage or test stage. So the reason behind the define stage is to help to identify the choice, rules and logic needed to solve the problem clearly. In prototype, it is used to build functioning solutions. Okay, there are many functions. It is used to build it, and we are going to test that particular operations whether it is working effectively. Okay, and next is about decision making. So how we are going to make the decisions in Python programming. So a way to make the program choose actions based on conditions. If condition is true, we'll be executing some code of statement. If condition is false, then we will be executing some code. Okay. So it helps program behave differently based on the input. Okay, whatever it is, based on the condition and the input, it will be operating. So it uses some logical expressions and comparison operators, and it improves automations and dynamic executions. Example, checking the age for eligibility. Okay, so here we can see the flow chart of it. Okay, next is the types of decision making. So we have like if statement. We can use the keyword if or if else or if elif or nested if statement. So we have two types in decision making in Python programming. Okay. And if and if else statement. So in Python we have to test the expression. If it is true, we'll be executing the body of the statement. And the statement, if it is false, it will be executing some other statement. And if else statement, we will be testing the expression. If it is true, the body of the statement will be executed, and if it is false, the other time the body of the statement will be executed. Okay, so this is if and if else statement. Okay, and next is if elif ladder and nested if statement. If elif, like it will be a continuous statements, like if the test expression is yes, the statement one, if no, some other statement. And also if it is no, statement 3 will be executed, else the body of the else part will be executed. Okay, so this is 3. Elif means a continuous if statement with elif statement. Okay, so this is a part of elif ladder. And next is nested if statement. So if the text expression is here, if it is false, nested text expression will be executed. So in that we'll be having the if and again else statement. Okay, and again the statement just below if statement. So these are the things for nested if statements. And next comes the loop statements in Python. It repeats a block of code multiple times. The loop statement always executes the multiple statements, and it's because it saves times and it reduces the code length too. It is used for automation, list, files and ranges. It supports iterative programming, and it also eliminates repetitive tasks. There are some types of loops like for, while, nested loop and loop control statements. For statement, while statement, nested statement and loop control statements. So in this for statement, each item will be executed in sequence. If it is yes, will be executed. If it is no, the body of the statement will be executed. In while loop, while some conditions will be executed, and if it is true, some block of statement, and if it is false, it will be exited. Python nested loops, like we'll be having the for statement for I in range, and we have the print statement, again the for statement. So this is nested loops. So loop control statements can be like break statement, continue statement and pass statements. Okay, so break statements, like here we have the concept decision thinking mind map. Here example types of decision making is there. So we have know about what is the concept behind decision making. We know about the design thinking stage, example, and the types of decision making statements. And regarding the looping, we know about what is the looping concept and what is the type of loops and Python nested loops, and we we know about the loop control statements too. Okay, thank you.